Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jeep Grand Cherokee versus the BMW X7. We'll dive into their core attributes, helping you understand what each vehicle offers. This comparison will cover everything from engine power to interior luxury, ensuring you have a clear picture. By the end, you'll be better equipped to decide which SUV aligns with your needs and preferences. Let's explore the distinct advantages of each model. When it comes to performance, the BMW X7 often impresses with its powerful engine choices, including a robust 4.4-liter V8. It delivers swift acceleration, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, however, shines with its legendary off-road prowess and available 4x4 systems. It also typically offers a higher towing capacity, often exceeding 7,000 pounds, making it ideal for hauling. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize speed or rugged utility. Inside, the BMW X7 truly excels in luxury, featuring premium materials, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology. It often provides more spacious third-row seating and a highly refined cabin experience. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, while also comfortable, offers a more rugged yet practical interior. Its infotainment system is user-friendly, and the cabin is designed for durability and family adventures. Both offer heated seats, but the X7 often includes more advanced massage and ventilation features for ultimate comfort. Considering value, the Jeep Grand Cherokee typically has a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option for many. The BMW X7, while offering more luxury, generally comes with higher maintenance and insurance costs over time. Both vehicles, however, tend to hold strong resale value within their categories. When planning your budget, remember to factor in these long-term ownership expenses. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.